Hi there, this is a screencast to finalize, hopefully, this website that I'm trying to transfer from an external host over to SiteGround. So using the WordPress migrator tool, I've got the files there and I'm trying to do the DNS now. And this running conversation has been about the emails. So this Secure ISS is a third-party email company, and to make the transition seamless, we need to ensure that this is maintained, the CloudX settings. So I've got this is the old host, and here is SiteGround. And the main issues that I have at the moment, I just would like to clarify, is the latest response that I got from you was to put this one here. You can see there's quotation mark on the end and on the other side as well. And if I go, so if you look at the latest notes, it'll say to take that off so that it looks like this, and that's great. So you've confirmed that that's what I should be doing there. The issue that I have is this DKIM here. It's got a quotation mark on one side of it, so on the left-hand side, but not on the other side. So if I look at that one, so that was, just let me see, the MIIB one. So here, this one. So I've got the quotation mark on one side and not on the other side. Is that quotation mark meant to be there? Because this one has had it removed. Is that quotation mark meant to be there on this end? Also, I couldn't load this key in. You can see that it ends with a colon or a semicolon at the end there. But in here, there is a backslash and then a colon, and it wouldn't accept the backslash in the key. Now that may be a question that I need to ask Secure ISS if that backslash is needed. But if you could clarify, well, I mean, if you can clarify that, that would be great. But more importantly, if you could clarify the quotation mark on the left-hand side, whether I need that. It's the same for this one here. So this is to do with MX, it seems. So once again, email. It's got a quotation mark on the left-hand side and the right-hand side. And that one, yeah, securiss.com. Just SPF IP4. This one here. So I've got quotation mark on the left, and I've got quotation mark on the right, but I need to know, so do I keep the quotation marks on this one, because this one we've taken it off? It's essentially the remaining questions that I have. I've got the domain key, the domain keys here if you need them, and I could send them through. I think, well, you've got them anyway. You've got them in here, and I've highlighted what the differences are, you know, with the little bits. So, you know, you've actually got the keys. I just need some advice as to the quotation marks, really, and the backslash as well. If that could be answered, that'd be great. If I need to go back to Secure ISS, I'm happy to do that. So if you could let me know, that'd be great. Okay, thanks. Cheers.